Oh, let's talk about temp voice. This part's fun. Okay, so now you got your script, right? And you're building your storyboard. But, oh no, you haven't hired your voice actors yet. Or sometimes they take time to record or due to priorities and other stuff. What do? Well, a very purple person once said, "Fine, I'll do it myself." Try your best at doing the voice acting for this. Like, use your own voice. Of course, it's going to sound funny, maybe even super cringy, but it's a temporary solution to what you need. And hey, maybe it might actually be funny enough that people will enjoy it. And you have just found a little gem that elevates your film even higher. So yeah, have fun with this. It's gonna be nice.